Hi, this video is looking at extracting metals. Some metals are so unreactive that they are found in the earth as pure metals. Examples of these include gold and silver. However, most metals are found as compounds that require extractions. These compounds are known as ores. Ores are mined from the ground and must contain enough metal to make it economically worthwhile extracting. Over time, the economics of extracting metal may change as technology advances, making it cheaper to extract metals from ores. This may make it financially viable to extract metal from ores with a lower concentration of metal. Also, if the price of the metal was to increase, it would make it viable to extract metals from ores with less of the metal in. Alternatively, if the price of the metal was to fall, then some of the ores that are currently being mined may now not be economically viable. So the economics of extracting a metal may change over time due to technological advancements and changes in metal prices. So let's now have a look at the process of obtaining a metal. The first stage is to mine an ore out of the ground. An ore may be concentrated before it is extracted and purified. Concentrating is the process of getting rid of the unwanted material in the ore, such as rocks that have little or no metal in them. This is because the extraction process is costly, meaning that we do not want to extract metal from materials that has little or none of the metal that we desire. This leaves us with a more concentrated ore, and we are now ready to extract the metal from the ore. There are two ways that a metal can be extracted from its ore. One method is reduction, and the other method is electrolysis. The method used for extraction is dependent on how reactive the metal is. In the table we have a variety of different metals, and we also have carbon. Carbon is obviously not a metal, but it is key to know which method is used. All of the metals that are more reactive than carbon need to be extracted using electrolysis. From the table we can see that potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium and aluminium are all more reactive than carbon. Therefore, the method of extraction is electrolysis. Metals that are less reactive than carbon can be extracted by reduction. Carbon is used in the reduction process and can only take oxygen away from the metal that is less reactive than itself. So if we look at the table, we can see that zinc, iron, tin, lead and copper are all less reactive than carbon. Therefore, the method of extraction is reduction, and it's reduction by using carbon. This video is going to look at reduction in more detail. Electrolysis is explored in the next video. Reduction is the removing of oxygen from a substance through a chemical reaction that uses carbon. Carbon reacts with the oxygen in the ore, resulting in carbon dioxide and the desired metal. So let's have an example of iron oxide. We react iron oxide with carbon, and this gives us pure iron and carbon dioxide. Pure iron can then be used to produce goods. Underneath the word equation we have the balanced chemical symbol equation. So iron oxide is 2Fe2O3, carbon is C, and we need 3 carbon atoms. And when these are reacted together, we get 4 iron atoms, which are 4 Fe's, and then we have 3 carbon dioxide, so it's 3 CO2s. This brings us to the end of this video. For more content, quizzes and past papers, go on to www.elevise.co.uk.